Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to another day and another day of becoming a full-time trader. So it's our last day in the hotel. So yung misis ko nag-almusal na. And me finish na. And we will check out around 12 p.m.
Magbulag na mi guys.
So once a month, we see each other, para naman na maka-regain tayo ng energy.
Once a month guys, pero kahapit ko pa kayo. Oh my God.
So, wala pa ako, hindi pa ako tumitingin ng chart guys until now. So, we don't see what happens sa gold and USD GPY kung na-take profit ba siya or na stop loss. And we can just only trade for Saturday, Sunday sa BTC USD. And the thing is, kahapon, di ba? Naka-take profit tayo ng 10. And then, yung loss natin sa gold is, I think, nasa 500 plus. So, naka-gain pa rin tayo ng profit. For that setup, maganda siya, di ba? So, yun na lang siguro yung gagawin natin para may napo-follow tayo na strategy. We can just take profit, stop loss, and buy or stop limit. Kasi hindi natin kumbaga yung prediction natin, hindi natin siya mapipredict kung wala pang sa Tokyo session. I think Tokyo or New York yung pinakauna. So sa London session, ma-strategize na natin yung pagpasok sa market. Kasi doon mo na makikita kung saan papunta yung price. And using Fibonacci tools, may second confirmation tayo. Kasi sometimes, yung area value ng yesterday candle, 50%, 80%, and 38% is above sa value area. So, it means we have this buying opportunity to set up. And then, sa sell naman, vice versa, ganun din. I explain nyo na kahapon. So, we will look into it ngayong araw sa BTC USD. Kasi guys, I am planning to take the trade in 4 pairs lang. Ang USD GPY, Euro USD, and the BTC USD, and the gold. So, dyan lang natin ipapaikutin or itetest ang Fibonacci tools at saka yung value area. And the volume, meron tayong volume profile sa trading view but we cannot use it kasi nga may bayad. And sa tawag dito, sa MT5 naman, ganon din yung setup na ginagawa ko. I'm using Fibonacci retracement and then yung sa value area. So, I'll fix my table to set up para ipakita sa inyo yung BTC. So, ayun guys. Time check guys is 10:33 a.m. So, we'll open the trading view so that we can see and check if we can put an entry today on BTC because today is Saturday. Let's see what happened yesterday. Okay guys. As you can see, from 61.8%, umakyat na siya. Hindi siya bumaba sa ating plot. sa ating buy limit na 23.6. So, yung price kahapon is nandito lang, nag-range. Let's check sa ating sa ating value area. Okay? Kung nakikita nyo guys, yung value area niya dito, sa part na to, nagtook tayo dito, and then it took off here at 61.8 ng Fibonacci retracement. Now, as I've said, we will check first our daily bias for today. Wala tayong mouse kasi walang battery yung ating So, eto na yun guys. Kukunin natin tong ating value area na box. Yan. So, we will put on yesterday candle sa body lang niya. Okay. So, we will lock it. And then, we will go to 4 hours para ma-determine natin kung saan yung price go-open, kasi sa daily hindi doon makikita. So sa 4 hours time frame lang natin makikita. So ito na siya. Tokyo session pala yung nauna, and then after that is the London and then New York session. So from here we will take the Fibonacci retracement. Saan na ba yung Fibonacci natin? Nandito siya. Pero hindi natin siya makuha. Kasi nasa loob siya ng dito na lang tayo. Tanggalin na lang natin dito sa ayan, Fibonacci. Yun. And then, kunin na lang natin uli. So now guys, we were in this area. So, can you please hand me the tissue? Sorry guys, sinisipon tayo. So, on this area, I will take the highest high and this a higher low, and then this is the lower high. We'll take the Fibonacci, and then mali yung drag natin, dapat paakyat pala kasi nga we're going to determine the entry for buy. Okay, so we will take from here to here. So expand lang natin para kita nyo. I hope nakikita nyo yung aking ay zoom natin ng konti. Yan. So as you can see guys, nasa opening price siya, ito opening price. So pwede siyang mag-retrace dito sa 50%, dito sa hanggang 23%, kasi nakikita nyo ito yung kanyang momentum na bullish trend. Okay, nakikita nyo. So ngayon dito, nandito yung opening price. Okay, so we will put or we will adjust this buy limit into 50%. Okay, unahin natin yung 23, pero dito ka na sa last 23. Okay, last, and then we will just put it guys, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng entry. So, the second is, nasa 4 hours pala tayo guys, sorry. Nasa 4 hours pala tayo, so, kailangan ko siyang i-entry sa 15 minutes. So, ngayon naman, plot natin yung sa 38. Okay, 38. And then, we will adjust our stop loss sa same level dito. Okay? Or below lang sa 23. Ayan, sa 23.6. Okay, this entry would be 2.3. This one, and this one is 3.2. Okay, it's too high. Ang gagawin natin, we will just put in the 78%, so mag 2.12 lang siya. And then we will put again sa buy limit here at 50%. You can just move this one. Okay. And this one. And then we will move our stop loss below 23%. Okay, same as this. And then this one would be 78. Alanganin lagay sa 78, we will go up. Okay? Kasi magiging 1.7 lang siya. And then ang ratio niya is 1.7 lang. This is 2.12 and this is 2.32. Okay, so may tatlo tayong entry. Usog lang natin to konti. Usog lang natin to konti. And then this one. Okay. So we have 3 entries. Para makita nyo naman yung ating space of this one. Ilock lang natin para hindi siya magalaw. And now, dito sa 3 entries na to, okay, we will look sa 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Ito na yung last na entry natin na take profit. So sa 15 minutes guys, kung makikita nyo, iba na yung kanyang setup ng hindi ba iba yung setup, but the thing is mas clear siya kung saan makikita mo na may mga demand zone. Okay, I called it demand zone. Demand zone ang tawag nila dito. This is a demand zone kung saan nag-consolidate yung price. And here also has a demand zone. So naglagay tayo ng tatlo. Ang pinakababa natin is here sa 23. Okay, kung makikita nyo, ang tatlong nilagay natin is nasa 50%, 38%, and 23.6%. Okay? So, ayan siya. Ito may demand zone dito, may demand zone dito. Okay? And in this area, ang tawag ko dito is imbalance. Ay, hindi nyo nakikita. On this side. Okay? So, we will anticipate in this area kung matitrigger ba niya, wala siyang up. So, itaas natin ng konti ito. Ayan, nasa line talaga siya ng 50%. Okay. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is mag-i-entry tayo. Kasi, pwedeng bumaba. Okay? yung price on this side sa 68 point tawag dito 68.8%. Nakikita nyo dyan kasi ito yung opening price niya ngayon guys. Nandito yung value area. Okay, kung nakikita nyo dito yung value area, may entry na tayo dito sa 50% ng Fibonacci tools. So I will try to put a 50% value area. Nakikita nyo? Meron na pala tayo. Sorry. Meron na pala tayo 6 sa 38.6%. 38.2%. So, it's valid. Now, we can put a 50% sa value area. So, we will put entry now. Okay. We will put tawag dito. This is 1.71. Okay, ratio. So, kumbaga 1:1, pero mas lamang pa rin yung ating take profit. Ngayon maglalagay tayo ng entry on this mag-buy limit. I-connect pala natin sa paper trading kasi hindi pa siya na-connect. Kita nyo naman. So, yung paper trading natin sa USD GPY until now, nandun pa rin. Hindi pa rin siya nawawala. But, nasa 0.57 USD lang yung kanyang na remaining. Okay? So, ayan yung last na trade natin sa BTC. And then sa gold, we get the, ang tawag dito, may buy limit. How nagkaroon ng buy limit dito? Tanggalin natin. Nagkaroon agad ng buy limit, guys. Ay, wag na siguro. Tanggalin natin yung buy limit. So, we will put a buy limit on this area. Kung makikita nyo dyan is, i-click lang natin to. And then, ito yung limit niya. Nakikita nyo yung buy limit nandito. So, ibaba lang natin siguro to. The buy limit is nasa 83 to 85. Okay. Mali. Wala. So, ang buy limit niya guys nandito. Yung nakikita nyo naman. 83 to 85.37. And then, we will put take profit. Makikita nyo. Pag clinic ko yan, may lalabas na take profit. Ang preferred niya na take profit is nandun lang sa taas. But, we will put it sa taas. 86,481. So, we will change this one to 86,481. Ayun na. Makikita mo na doon sa taas. So, sa stop loss naman, we will put, I think it's, tingnan natin ang 81,420. Okay. $81,420. Ayun na siya guys. Nandito na siya sa 0.80. So, kung makikita nyo dito, makikita nyo yung price. Tsaka yung price kung saan siya nag-buy ng limit. Tsaka yung TP niya. So, ang TP niya dito is 1.7 like that. So, ang stop loss lang natin is 1.8. And our take profit is 3,000. So, let's buy it. So, ayan. Next, dito naman tayo sa, sa 38.2%, kung saan nasa value area siya ng 50%. Okay. So, again, we will put limit, buy, and we will take this 82,532. .68. So ayan na siya, ikita nyo naman yung limit niya, and then we will take the SL dito sa 81,420. So stop loss 81,420.80, and then our take profit is 85,053. So 85,053. 53. So ayan siya guys, nakikita nyo, buy niya, ang SL niya is 11, ang TP niya is 22 at 25. So let's buy again, and then our last part is the 23.6% pinaka last option na to for us to be entry sa sa ating tawag dito, third entry natin. So if we miss this two, this one will be our last tawagan dito, last entry for us to be able to take all this profit. Okay, so from here meron tayong nasa 5,000 na. So ngayon ang gagawin natin dito, for us to get all of this, we will go up here. Okay, so from here i-calculate natin kung magkano yung kasi 5.1 to eh, so i-calculate natin siya kung magkano yung magiging profit niya all the way para makover tong dalawa. So let's see, limit. Now we will put entries sa 81, we'll see, I think 81,341. So let's see the stop loss, 81,341. 81,341. Wait guys, mali pala. Ang gagawin muna natin is doon tayo sa entry. So ang entry niya is 81,586. Okay? 81,614. 81,614. Okay, nandito na siya. So ang SL niya, ang gagawin natin, ang SL niya I think is 8682. 81,6. Ayan. Ito yung SL niya. 81,341. Okay? 341. Hindi guys. Hindi siya 81. So, kung makikita nyo, nilalagay na andito na siya. So, we will see. This one is, 81,420. I think we will see no, 8665. So 8665. Hindi ko pa rin siya makuha guys. But we will see, we will check the take profit first. So ang take profit niya, taas siya, 85,318. 318. So, ayun na. Kung nakikita nyo, ang nakalagay lang ng TP niya is 3,000. Okay? Nag-buy limit tayo dito. We will put a 81,410 sa SL. Okay? Sa SL, galagay natin yung let's put, so guys, yung kanyang SL nasa baba. Okay? Sobrang baba na. Kasi hindi natin na-determine itong ano dito eh. So, ito siya. Baba lang natin ng konti. Wag na pala. Ito lang ang babaguhin natin guys. Ito. Okay? Ito lang yung babaguhin natin. Kasi dapat same ano sila. I mean is same stop loss. Okay? As you can see, sobrang ano niya, baba. And the take profit is 3,195 from here. Okay? So, ayun guys, we will see what will happen dito sa ating entry. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, I think itaas na lang din natin to. But I am thinking for the first TP and second TP on this side. The first TP can be here and then take the up and then go down and take again for another up. So, we will see kung ano yung magiging kalabasan ng ating tawag dito, trade. Okay. Parang may mali guys. Dapat lahat sige. Gagawin lang natin dito. We will see kung anong mangyayari, no. Kasi this one supposedly first TP. Okay. Supposedly first TP. Kung kukunin niya to, we will go up here only. Okay. So, ang SL dapat natin dito is nandito sa taas. But anyways, let's try this setup. At least we follow our setup or strategy on this kind of trade. Okay, we will just put a buy limit. Kasi nga guys, some is they know where the buyers, where does retailers go. So that the market will just take all those trades na mga retails and then go to the opposite. Okay? So that's my setup for today. We will wait for the trigger of this trade. So have a good day guys. See you again for the continuation of this entry. See you later. So ayan guys, update. Pauwi na ako. So ito yung bus station ng Abu Dhabi. So mga 2 minutes na lang darating na yung bus. Nasakay na ako. So balik trabaho na ulit tayo. Naghiwalay na kami kanina ng aking asawa. So I'll see her next month. I'll continue later guys sa aking journey. Hi guys. Hi guys, nag-walk na ko pa uli. Muna yung day off na ako. Kailangan kong maglakad ng at least 2 meters from the highway. Okay. Tapos may big patong ganito. Mabigat. So sulit ang pagod. Diba? Ito guys yung aking daanan sa mga gustong bumisita sa akin. Yan, The Muse Salon. Sarado pa sila ngayon guys kasi syempre wala naman magpapasalon pa sa ganitong oras. Yung asawa ko ayaw nang may bumisita sa akin. So see you guys later. We're home guys. So, ligpit tayo ng mga gamit galing labas. And then, Nam. Salam! Magbibihis na ako. Yung mga kasama ko dito. Alhamdulillah. Mabishay. So, ayun guys, nakita nyo naman, hindi ko na patuloy yung ano ko kanina kasi may pumasok yung mga kasama ko. Now, I am going outside kasi yung matanda, ayun, nag-apura na. May bibilhin daw sa Musaka. So, hindi na tayo mag-check ng ating mamaya na. Kasi nga, nakaset up naman tayo. So, that time, we will wait until 5 or anytime na mag-start ng London session. So, trabaho muna ako guys. I'll see you again later. Good evening guys. So, time check tayo, 6:49. Simula kanina nung makauwi ako. Yun na. Maraming tumawag sa mga tao dito para mag-utos. So, ngayon guys, we will check na sa trade natin sa BTC. Habang hindi pa ako tinatawag para kumain. And we will just refresh this para makita natin yung totoong live market 6:49. So sa dalawang araw guys na off, okay naman siya, nakapagpahinga tayo, no? Tayo bang ginawa kundi kumain, matulog and drink some wine. Yun lang. So now, I will just take a picture sa eto guys. Okay, this one. So that we can have a reference. Save lang natin. Okay. So I think this one, itong ating trade ngayon ng araw is walang na-trigger, no? So as you can see, hindi lumalayo yung kanyang price sa 78.6% ng Fibonacci tools. And then nandun lang sa taas ng kanyang opening price ngayong araw. Now, we will see sa ating 4 hours. Okay? So, 4 hours guys, pababa siya, diba? So, nakikita nyo dito na there's a probability to take this area. Okay? Before it moves up. Okay? Or there's a probability na it will go down until here. In this area. Itong support na to, weekly support. Okay? And 2 option. Okay? Sorry guys, naantok pa ako. There's a 2 option guys that it will happen sa sa scenario na to. Okay? So, if this candle will not break, okay, itong candle na to na 4 hours, okay, if it not will break below until here sa 50%, there's a probability na mag-pump lang siya dito sa value area or here. Okay, that's why we put a 3 entry on this setup. Okay, so that we will wait for the price to come here 1, 2, 3 kung saan ba dyan. Okay, ang kukunin before siya aakyat. That's why we have a support here on this level. Okay, before it continue goes down. So ito lang yan, either this price will go here in this area and then goes up, or goes down breaking this higher low, okay, this level, and then goes down. So we will just wait on this area. Okay, kasi guys, itong level na to pwedeng nag-volatile na siya, and then it will go up. Okay, so we don't chase the market na, maghihintay na lang tayo ng setup natin na ma-trigger, so that we don't feel the pressure na nag-chase tayo ng market. So we will wait na ma-trigger to. Naam. Adin anay ro. Ana matis adan.
Wala. Adan, sama.
Yun na yung ating hihintayin, guys. We will just wait for the price to close down here on this level. Okay, and then we will wait, okay, for the breakout here to go down, and in this area we will wait for this at 78% to goes up, kasi ito yung level na pwede niyang kunin itong mga level na to. And on this area pwede niyang kunin ang level na to, go here sa ating ang tawag dito sa support from weekly support. Ito, so nag-resist na yung price from here. Hindi niya binibreak tong candle na to na malaki from Friday session. So ayun lang guys, wala akong masyadong trade ngayon pagka Sabado at Linggo. Ito lang na BTC. Okay, so I think I'm gonna erase this one. Pagka once na okay na guys yung ating we will save the entry. Okay, tapos na yun, na-save ko na yun, so that we will have a review or something na may babalikan tayo kung ano yung ginawa natin. But hindi ko lang na-save yung doon, so yung Fibonacci tools. Okay, so ang Fibonacci tools ginagamit natin sa lower high and higher high. Okay, kung makikita nyo dito, ang ginamit ko, nandito siya sa lower high, okay, on this area, and then higher high from previous high. Okay, so nandito pa yan, meron pang tatlo. So yeah, I think this is way more better guys na ginagawa natin, na we will wait the market to go sa ating strategy. So we don't chase the market, so let the market suits on our strategy. So ganun na yung gawin natin para wala tayong masyadong emotion sa mga ganito. We will just look in the chart sa oras na kumbaga dapat nating tingnan na. So we entry, okay, we set our dito sa London lang. Ayan, London session to. Simula dito hanggang dito. Ay, dito pala yung the start day. Ito na yung London ngayon. Okay, so ang London matatapos siya hanggang 9 ng gabi. 8 ata o 9 ng gabi. So, ayun muna guys. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you sa panonood, and I always leave you this quote: always test and learn, test everything and learn everything. So have a good night. I'll see you again later for my next video.